Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about Google Sheet application on mobile phone, and I will let you guide you step by step the way how you can edit view only or comment only document on the Google Sheet application. Open your application first, and then just need to open the documents that is in a view only format. You will see here the information about the format of the files. But then if those all information doesn't exist, just go with this three small dot, and right below the title there will be like a view only or any format documents that will be shown here. And then just to go back, whenever the documents is in a view only, so whenever you click the cells, you will not gonna able edit any information inside of these documents. You'll see I cannot add some informations here. So how to edit this document is so simple. Go click these three small dots and just click this request to edit access, and then you just need to wait until the owner of this document giving you the access to edit it. But then if your request access or request for access is being rejected, so you can do this instead. Go to the share and export and go with make a copy, and then you just need to wait the application copy everything of these documents, and they will be give you the new documents that will be able to be added. Tap it on the cells that you want to share or edit, go click this button and just need to change the information inside of the cells. Whenever you're done, you just need to go with this checklist button and you are done. You can also rename it with the new titles that different with the original documents by go with these three small dots, slide into the down side, and then just need to go click rename. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.